My father taught me the mortgage business. I always admired him, the way he would talk to people, things he would say, and how motivated he was and how excited he was about helping people buy their houses. Being in this industry, I see so many times people have put offers on houses, spent money on an appraisal, on a home inspection, 3 weeks later have been told your loan is declined. How do you lose your financing? Well, it's because the loan officer didn't do a good job on the front end, making sure that loan would pass on the back end. So you have to know, as in this industry, in today's time, that you've got people's lives at stake. They're putting a lot of money on the table. So you have to know with confidence that your file is clean. That's what I really instill in myself and my team, is watch the details, review before you give out that pre-approval letter. So you know with confidence, when you go shop for a home, make that application or put your offer in, your loan will close. I really enjoy and have a passion to help others know this industry like the way I know it. How to turn deals that would have been declined into a deal that will work. How to tell someone you are truly approved, not just pre-qualified. And I help my team by making sure they understand the loan process through and through, not just taking the application, making sure that loan will close. I love working for Great Western Home Loans. I love working with first-time home buyers, or maybe someone who's been multiple home buyers. I treat every customer like I want to be treated. So I check the credit, check the debt ratio, send them the checklist, review the income and assets. After I review all that documentation, I send the pre-approval letter out to them and the realtor, and the fun part begins, they go house shopping. So once we get an executed contract, my team and I will get your disclosure sent out to you. You'll e-sign all the documents. During that time, you get your house inspected. You look it over what you want have done repaired. Once you give me the green light, we order your appraisal. Your file then goes to processing. The processor orders the verification of employment, reviews the income, the assets. It gets the file ready to go to underwriting. The processor double checks all the work, makes sure it's all clean, so the underwriter has very little conditions to review. As a former underwriter, having that background, reviewing files in detail, has made me a better loan officer. So that loan will be as clean as possible when it goes to setup, when it goes to processing, and eventually to the underwriting department. I make sure I try to do everything I can as possible to review the documentation. So when I issue them the pre-approval letter, they can sleep at night.